We're just going to have a real quick tutorial on using the really cool app Make It Big, which can be used for a lot of different purposes. I'm actually in Make It Big right now, but I'm going to show you what the icon looks like. It's over here, and it's black with BIG on the right-hand side. So when you search for it in the App Store, you might just have to search Big or Make It Big. It kind of comes up under both. This is a free app. So what Make It Big does, as you've probably seen with all of these tutorials, is that it simply creates a background color and text and makes it as big as will fit the screen. So I can only put in one word. So if I'm trying to do vocabulary or art terms or something, I can just type in green, and that's going to be as big as it will fit on the screen. If I choose a bigger word, like responsibility, it's obviously going to make it smaller, but it fits in the whole screen. You can type longer sentences, as you've seen me do. I like to run, and to run. And it's going to make it as big as it can possibly be. It'll break it up wherever the line breaks need to be. So right now we have white letters on a green background, but you probably noticed that I can change that. I can hit the gear shift up there, and I can change the font to all of these fonts that we're all used to seeing in all of our word processing. So we have tons of things that we can choose from. You can change your text color. So you just simply use these sliders to change the color. Mine do not slide for some reason, so I usually just leave it white because it's easy to see, or you can hit random text color. So you can see some combinations you can't see it very well, and some you can. You can also change the background color by, again, moving the slider so you can see it's changing from green to blue. I can move the red one up, I can move the blue one back down, and you can see how those are changed. I can also hit random background color as well, as many times as I want to. You can also shake to flash or unflash, on or off. And then if you need to reset it back to the basic colors, you just hit the reset in the top right-hand corner, and it goes back to white on black in the main font. So if you ever get stuck and you can't get it to look right, just reset it and then go from there to make your Make It Big sign. So we'll go back to the main screen. So we can put whatever we like here. So there are many uses for this in the classroom. You can use it if you need to have students putting in a code that all you want them to put in is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the website. You can do that instead of having to write it up. This is a very clear way to do that. You can also do it for things like vocabulary games, where you can type the word in really quickly and that's all they see, and then they have to define it or do whatever to it. You could also put in math problems, simple ones, addition and subtraction problems. Whatever you can type on your keyboard, you can put into the Make It Big app. Make It Big is also handy outside of the classroom, of course, for many of the same purposes, letting people know a specific code they might need, email address, a website they might need to go to. Makes it really easy to see, it has a good contrast if you pick the right colors, and it makes it really easy to use, and of course it is a free app. So I hope you found something that you might be able to use this app for within your classroom or any other part of your life.